sticky drumettes. They're a favourite of most kids, and I love this recipe because of the sauce that I'm going to marinate it in. So it's a combination of peanut butter, soy sauce, honey, a classic, and it always works. And I'm going to serve this with some Brussels sprouts. Now, they get a really bad rap, but when it's mixed in with all of this marinade, they taste sensational. So some Brussels sprouts, I've just cut them in half, given them a wash. In they go. To that, I'll just add a very small amount of oil, say about half a tablespoon, and give them a toss so they're completely coated. And I'll also add a pinch of salt. So we want to season up our Brussels sprouts. Spread them out. And now for our marinade. So honey, we'll place that in a really large bowl so we can mix everything together. Scoop that out. Some fish sauce is going to give it the saltiness that we're looking for. And start mixing that. To this, some dark soy. I like the dark soy for this recipe because it's going to give it a richer, deeper flavour. So a good amount of that. And some peanut butter. Now, I'm a big lover of crunchy peanut butter, but if you've got smooth in the pantry, you could use that. So a good helping of that goes in. And just with the back of the spoon, we want to start breaking it up. We don't want big clumps in there, so just combine that together. And the last ingredient that's going to make this into beautiful, sticky chicken drumettes is coconut milk. So about 200 mils of coconut milk. Pour that in. And that right there really has a bit of a satay feel to it. So once that's completely combined, we can add our chicken drumettes. Now, this is a chicken wing. And what I've done is cut them into three. The wing tip, which I've removed, we've got the centre part of the drumstick, loads of flavour in there, so I add them. And then we've got the drumette part, which is the other part of the chicken wing. So really inexpensive cut of chicken, maximum flavour in there. So we'll take our chicken wings and then in they go. And just with that spoon, we're going to coat the whole thing. So let's place this on top of our Brussels sprouts, just pour it straight on top. And what I like to do is just nestle them in and around the Brussels sprouts. Just one even layer would be good. Okay, this goes into the oven and I'll roast this for about 1 hour at 180 degrees. Just keep an eye on it, turn it occasionally so we get a lovely even colour on all of the chicken. Our sticky peanut wings are out of the oven. Yes, it is not the prettiest dish, but does it taste nice? Oh my gosh, these are addictive. You're going to want to make a double batch of these because they are that good. And I'm going to serve it very simply with some rice. So some steamed rice just on one side of the plate and our wings. So we'll go with a few of the drumettes and the centre cut of the wing there too. And what I love about this is it's not swimming in sauce now. All that sauce is reduced. It's become sticky and stuck onto the wings there. And don't forget about these Brussels sprouts. Now, if you don't like Brussels sprouts, please let me change your mind because these that have been drenched in the honey, the soy, and the peanut butter are so good. They're really soft but full of flavour. One last little wing can go on the top there. And I happen to have some coriander in my fridge, so I'm going to garnish with coriander. If you don't have it, don't worry. You could also add some fresh chilli or just have it as is. Now, it's one of those dishes you may need a little bib with because they are finger licking. I'm going to have a little taste.